Hello, everyone. I am Manager Yang. Today I will introduce to you how to replace a new module when the LED display screen is damaged or needs repair, because some of our customers said that after buying the screen, after a period of time, the LED display screen was bumped and they didn't know how to replace the module. I will teach you how to do it. First, lay the screen flat. And open the back cover of the screen. If it is this module that needs to be replaced, you can clearly see the two chains. First, unplug the two wires. And then use a screw drill to remove the screws. After the screws are removed, the screen is directly removed. Take down the module. Take down the white sealant ring and put it on the new module. Please note that the modules are divided into left and right, and the removed and newly installed modules need to correspond to the same direction. Then align the screw holes of the module. Install the module. Then plug in the two wires. Tighten the screws. Buckle the back cover. And the module is replaced. It is still very flat. Changing modules is so easy. Have you learned it?